Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to split first name and the last name in two different columns. I have the name in the same column. In column B, if you see, first name and the last name is updated. I wanted to split first name and last name in two different columns. Once splitting first name and last name in two different columns, we will be able to join these two names in single column using the function which is called as TEXTJOIN. Let us see how we will be able to split first name and last name in two different columns. For that, I need to select the column itself. I need to go to data here. I need to select the option data. Then there is an option to select text to column. There is an option to select text to column. We need to select text to column. Once text to column is selected, you will see you will get an option delimited. You need to select delimited and select next. The delimiters what you are going to choose is based on the data what you have in the column. If the delimiter is tab, then you need to select tab. If it is semicolon, then you need to select semicolon. Since the delimiter type is space, I need to select space here. Once I select the space as the delimiter, you notice the last name is already split into another column. Let us say if you have comma separated, these names are comma separated. I will just add the comma here between first name and the last name. And since the delimiter is comma here, if I select text to column and delimited, if I select comma, you notice whatever names which has comma in between, those names are getting reflected in this preview window. So which means based on the delimiter, you need to select the correct option. I will cancel and I will use Ctrl+Z to undo whatever changes I have done. And now again I will select column B, text to column, and click on next. Since space is the delimiter, I will select space and click on finish. Now the first name and the last name has been split into two different columns. After splitting first name and last name in two different columns, let us see how we will be able to join these two names in single column using TEXTJOIN. I will use the function which is called as TEXTJOIN and TEXTJOIN, open the bracket. I need to select the delimiter because the delimiter is space here. I need to enter space in double quotes, which will be my delimiter. If it is comma, you need to specify comma here. Else, if it is space, you need to specify space in double quote. So the delimiter option has been selected and I will select the option true here. If there is any blank columns in between first name and the last name, by choosing the option true, it will ignore the blank columns. So I will select the option true and comma here. I need to select the range of cells. So I will select the range of cell which is first name and colon C2, C1. So this is my range of cells to be joined. And I will just enter. So whatever data we have split in two different columns has been combined in single column. In column E, we are able to combine the first name and the last name using TEXTJOIN. If I copy the formula for all the remaining cells, I'll be able to join first name and last name in column E. So I'll drag the formula and now we are able to join first name and last name in the same column. So this is how you will be able to do text split and text join using Excel functions. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.